In this video, I'm going to show you how to record a payroll journal entry in QuickBooks Online. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to hover over Create top left, and then over here, you want to go to Journal Entry. Now, whenever you do this, of course, you want to put in your date up top left. By default, it's going to be the date, which is today. And over here, you can give it a journal number. I'm going to leave it as 1 right now, and now let's hop into these tables over here. So what you have to do, you first have to select your account you use to actually record your payroll journal entries. So this is going to be like whatever you're using. For example, for me, it's going to be like wages. So I'm going to just search for wages. There we go. It says wage expenses. If you don't have this, you may have to create a new one. So at the very top here, you'll be able to click on add new. And from there, you'll be able to basically create a new expense or whatever account you want to use. I'm going to go wage expenses, which I created earlier. And then over here, of course, this is going to be debits over here. So I'm just going to type in, for example, let's just do it 1K. Okay, let's say we paid 1K. And then over here, we're going to do description. We're going to type in, it was for instant how to, which is myself. And then the name over here, it's going to be, there we go, instant how to, which is one of the employees. Okay, so over here, we also have to add the second one. Of course, this is going to be under the credits. So in this case, you could do like whatever. This could be your bank or whatever you're using, maybe card, something like this. For me, I'm going to use this cash or cash equivalent right now, but for you, again, use the one that you want. Now, this should be automatically auto-filled. As you can see over here, it auto-filled pretty much everything except for the name over here. So this was cash or cash equivalent, and then I have 1,000 in credits. This one has 1,000 in debits, and it's for myself, instant how to. Then over here, again, you can find your, of course, person, the name, click on them, and there we go. That's pretty much all you have to do. That's how to record a payroll journal entry, and then don't forget to save it down here at the bottom right, and you are good to go. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.